Hey guys, so if you've got a set of Apple AirPods, you probably noticed that the case gets pretty dirty, the earbuds get pretty dirty. So I'm just doing a quick video today to give you some tips on how to clean them. So some of the things you can use is some Blu-Tak, cotton buds, a toothbrush with it's a very soft bristles, and it's just a brand new toothbrush. But you can use that. You'll need a microfiber, and I like to use some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. So I just thought I'd do a nice close-up video today. But as you can see with AirPods, these are actually pretty good at the moment, but you normally get like a lot of build-up just of dust, little bits of fine metal or anything like that built up in here. You can never really get rid of that black mark there, but you can just get rid of the build-up that is around it. The earbuds themselves are pretty clean at the moment too. So just to give you an idea, one of the best tricks I reckon is just a piece of Blu-Tak, and you actually put it in that hinge point there, press it in and pull it out, and it actually gets rid of any bits of dust or anything that's stuck to the magnet in there. So I just do that a couple of times on each side. Then I also go around the edge, because some dirt and stuff tends to build up just around that lip there. Now, bear in mind, this doesn't always get rid of everything, but it's a pretty good solution to get rid of most of the loose stuff. Put it in the where the earbuds sit as well. I do it up in the lid, along all the edges of the lid, and that looks pretty good. One of the other things you can do is get a toothbrush in there and just give it a nice brush through there around that edge. You could even use a little bit of like an air duster, like a can of air, to give it a good clean. You can also use a cotton bud with just spray some alcohol on that, and you can get right in there. You don't want to soak the cotton bud so it goes down in any liquid goes down into the battery case, but it probably wouldn't do anything because it would dry out so quick anyway. So you can just go right around everywhere with that, like so. If you got anything stuck down in there, you can just give it a little light. Just be careful not to go too far down, because you'll risk bending the contacts down the bottom. So that's for the case. And then for the earbuds, or the AirPods themselves, you can actually gently, if you get any wax build-up or anything in there, you can just gently push the Blu-Tak onto the speaker grill and then pull anything out. And same within that little grill there. Just gently, you don't want to go too forceful. Well, and you can go around all that seam where the AirPods actually put together. Give it a good clean, and then you can do that with the other one too. I find the Blu-Tak the best for getting a lot of the gunk off. Just go around that seam as well. Blu-Tak's a very quick, simple thing. You can just carry a piece of Blu-Tak in your bag or anything really. So once you've done that, to make your case feel nice and new, because they get a bit dirty, and don't know if you can see any scratches on this. You'll never get all the scratches out, but what I like to do is just give the whole case like a spray with alcohol and wipe it with the microfiber. And that actually makes, you can probably hear that, it's literally squeaky clean. It feels like you just pulled it out of the box. Now with that same spot on the rag, I don't spray it on the AirPods themselves, but I also just give the AirPods a wipe over with alcohol. I don't go putting any alcohol in any of the ports or anything like that, but that makes them feel like brand new as well. Give the other one a clean. Pop them back in your case, and you're good to go. So I hope that has been a bit helpful for anyone who wants to keep their AirPods nice and clean. Cheers guys, thanks for watching.